Hey, and welcome to the It's All Good Mining and Repair channel. I'm Brian, your host, and this quick short video is just going to show you something I found about a lot of 10 S17 hashboards. They were listed as not working. I've got a video series where I'm going to show you how I tear those down and recycle parts off of them, and why I'm going to do that nowadays instead of buying used chips from other sellers. But today what I want to do is I want to show you one of the benefits I got off of one of the chips. So let's dive in. That's a BM1397AH. Now, typically I do my repairs with an AG. Now the AH chip is a little bit more stable chip. It tends to run better. And I've managed to get an entire board full of AH chips. And I gave less than $50 for this board. Okay, so if you're planning to do a lot of repairs on boards and you want to get a source of chips, I haven't found a good source of used chips yet. Okay, they just tend to fail. Even the best vendors I've worked with, nobody's really giving out chips that I can consistently find to be 100% good. I still see a good 40-50% failure rate by the time I clean the chip up or put it into use. So instead, get yourself used parts boards. Make sure though, when you're getting parts boards, make sure that most of the chips are there. Make sure the heat sinks are still attached, and if the heat sink isn't attached, be sure that the chip is not all cracked out of the top. Okay, you should still have that smooth top. If you don't have that smooth top, then the chip is probably damaged to the point it may or may not be any good. Oh, and one more thing. If you find these videos to be helpful, be sure to smash the like button. There it is. Smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.